Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to do lesson number 4, multiplication and division. Activity 3, word problem. So let's start with it. Firstly, we do question number 3 because question number 2 we already done in the previous video. So in question number 3, students written, Mr. Mehta bought 1, 5, 3, 4, 6 chairs for auditorium. Means number of chairs Mr. Mehta bought is 15,346. If each chair cost means cost of one chair is rupees 398, you have to tell how much money did Mr. Mehta pay. So see how we do in the maths copy. You write total number of chair, that is 15,346. Cost of one chair is rupees 398. You have to tell cost of 1, 5, 3, 4, 6 chair. How you will find? You have to multiply it. Always keep biggest number up and down you have to write a smaller number. Okay, now you have to do multiply. 8 6 are 48. 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 8 5 are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. 8 plus 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Now we move to next number. Next number is 9. 9 6 are 7, 54. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 5, it will be 41. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4 is again 31. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. 9 1s are 9 plus 4 is 13. Now again you put a 2 multiply sign. 3 6 are 18. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Now you have to add it. Answer come 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1 17. 3 4 5 6 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. 6 plus 3 9 10 11. 4 5 6. Answer is 6107708. And with this you have to put rupee sign also. Clear? Now we do question number 4. Question number 4 is, there are 2,27,125 copies of a book Gita were printed last year. If each book had 329 pages, you have to tell how many pages were printed. So you have to write like this manner. Total number of copies are 2,27,125. Number of pages in each book, it will be 329. And number of pages printed, what do you have to do? You have to multiply it. Again, bigger number you keep up and down you keep smaller number. Now you have to multiply. Firstly we do with 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 9 1s are 9 plus 2 11. 9 7s are 63 plus 1 64. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 9 2s are 18 plus 2 20. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 2s are 4. Clear? Now again put 2 crosses. We do with 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 3 2s are 6. Add them. 5, 2, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14, 4 plus 4 plus 4, it will be 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, and 7. So your answer will be 7, 4, 7, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. Clear? Now we do question number 5. There is a milk booth sell who sell 448 liters of milk in a day. You have to tell how many liters of milk will it sell in 4 years. Means in one day, if the milk booth sell 448, you have to tell in 4 years. Firstly, you know in 1 year there are 365 days. Then in 4 years, how many? You have to multiply 365 by 4. Then what the answer come? You have to multiply it with 448. So see, quantity of milk sold in one day, that will be 448 liter. Quantity of milk sold in 4 years, 448 liter into 1460 days. 1 year, you know there is 365 days, and 4 year there must be 1460 days. 365 you multiply by 4. Now student, what you have to do? You write bigger number up and 448 down. Now you have to start multiplying it. 8 zeros are 0, 8 6 are 48, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 4 is 36, 8 1s are 8 plus 3, it will be 11. Now do with 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So again 0, 4 will come here, 8 and then 5. Add them, 0, 8, 0, then 1 will go as a carry, 8, 4, 12, 13, 14, 8, 9, 10, 15 and 6. So answer is 6, 5, 4, 0, 8, 0 liter. Clear? This is the answer. Now students, we do next activity, activity 4. Activity 4, question number 1 is very easy. In this you have to write the answer in the box only. 1, 2, 5, 4, 7. If you divide it by 1, what answer will come? You will get same number, 1, 2, 5, 4, 7. 87450 divided by 87450. Same number, if you divide, what answer come? 1. When you divide 0 with any number, what answer? 0 will come. And that divided by 35, you will get 0 only. Answer is 0. Clear? So you do question number 1 in the book only. Now you have to do question 2 and 3. Question number 2 and 3 students we do in the copy only. There is written find a number. You have to find a number which when divided by 35 means the number should be divided. Divided means this is given divisor to you. Because with which number we divide, we call it divisor. Give the quotient. So this is quotient 22 and the remainder is 14. Now student, here you know the check formula of divisor. That is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That formula we use here. We write in a copy like this manner, quotient to find that dash 14, then solution. Divisor is equals to 35, quotient is equals to 22, remainder is equals to 14. Then dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then 35 into 22, you have to multiply it. What the answer come, you have to plus 14 in that. So I will do in the side 35 into 22. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 again. So answer will be 770. So 770 plus 14 you do. So your answer will be 784. This is the answer. Clear? Similarly, we do question number 3. Question number 3, firstly let me explain. 369 when divided, so it means it is a dividend. Now give question. So this is a question, this is a remainder. You have to find the number which divided. Mean now here you have to find the divisor. So see how we do. Dividend is equal to 3699. Divisor you have to find, so write down question mark. Quotient is equals to 231. Remainder is equals to 3. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now dividend is this. Now put all the values. Divisor is not given, so I will write div as it is. Now first of all students, when we solve, firstly we send this plus 3 to left hand side. Clear? So when plus sign goes to left hand side, it will convert into minus. So 3699 minus 3, answer will come 3696 is equals to divisor into 231 in left, because 3 we already sent there. Now what we do, now I send this 231 to the left. When I send to the left, this multiply sign will convert in divide sign. Now 3696 you have to divide by 231. Clear? Students, when you divide 3696 by 231, 231 ones are 231, minus it. 9 minus 1 is 8, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, and this 6 will come as it is down. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, 1, 3. So answer comes 16. So divisor is 16 here. Clear? You have to do question 2 and 3 both in the notebook. Clear? Now we do question number 4. It's a very easy question 4. See how we do. We have to do in the book only. How many zeros are there from the number and put it in a remainder? Clear? This is a rule you already done in previous classes. So there are 3 zeros. So how many number I will remove from the number? 3 and put it in a remainder. So here come 164 and what left? 5. Now again how many 0? 3. So 3 numbers I separate and put in a remainder, and 62 will come here. Now 3 numbers or 4, there are 4 zeros, so I separate 4 number, 8, 2, 7, 5, and 1 will come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So you separate 4 number, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here comes 72. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 zeros, so 4 numbers you have to separate. 2, 3, 4, 5. So here comes 61. Clear? Similarly, we do all the part. Now see, count the digit. There are 5 zeros. So you write 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. And here 1, 8. Again 5. So here you write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here come 2. Clear? Like this manner you have to do. Again see, there are 5, so you put 8 here. And here you write 1, 7, 5, 6, 7. Clear? Similarly, 2 parts you have to do by yourself. I am not doing. It's very easy. If there are 5 zeros, so you have to separate 5 numbers from it. Suppose 5 numbers are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here will come 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes 17. 5, so here come 8, and here come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? How many zeros are there? That one numbers you have to separate from the numbers and put it in a remainder. This is a way of doing question 4. So I hope you understand how to do activity 4 and 3. It totally depends on dividend rule, how to divide the numbers. So there is a check rule also. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That one we have used in question 2 and 3. So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice